Hello friends, welcome to my channel and I'm back with another video on CVAT with Windows. In the earlier video, we saw how we can deploy AI models if the CVAT is installed on Windows, but that method was not applicable for some other models. If the model needs two Python files for its deployment called the main.py and the model handler.py, then in such a case, we cannot apply our earlier method. So we will adopt another method for this purpose. We will deploy the models from Windows Subsystem for Linux or WSL. Let us see how. Let's fire up the Docker. As soon as the Docker starts, the CVAT should also be up and running on port 8080 and the Nuclio dashboard on the port 8070. In Docker desktop, go to settings, then resources and check the WSL integration. If you are able to use a CVAT, then the WSL integration is definitely enabled. This ensures the connection between the Windows and the Linux. Now open the Linux. Here, check for Docker using the command docker ps. When we execute the docker ps command, we can see all the running containers. This means that our Windows and Linux are sharing the same Docker and the same CVAT. Now we need to clone the CVAT here. For cloning CVAT, we need to install Git. So we will install Git using the command sudo apt install git. Now enter your password. If Git is already installed, then you will get this type of message. Let us proceed now. Clone the CVAT repository. Git clone https://github.com open CVAT. So we have cloned the repo. Now we will use this repo just to deploy the models. So let's get inside. Now we will need NUCTL, that is the command line interface for Nuclio dashboard. This CLI will allow us to deploy the models. So let's get it from here. I will mention the address in the description below. Now let's authenticate the CLI and add it to the path using these commands. Edit the version here as well. This is done. Now we should be able to run the Nuclio commands for the model deployment. To deploy the model, we must know the path to its deployment files. All these files are located in the folder called serverless. So if we execute the command find serverless, it will give the path to all the models that we can use for the deployment purpose. Now let us try to deploy mask RCNN. You can mention CPU or GPU here depending on the model and your requirement. Now include the path to the model here. We can get it from above here. The complete command for the model deployment will be like this. So let's deploy the model now. Our model is deployed successfully now. It should be visible on the Nuclio dashboard and you should be able to use it from the CVAT. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please share it, and I will see you next time.